In this tutorial, we're going to see how to create some pattern and textured field text. Let's start off by creating a new Fireworks document. Let's make it 500 pixels wide by 200 pixels in height. Next, let's pick a nice bold text. I'm going to use the Snap ITC font for this demonstration. Snap ITC, there it is, right there. Let's make it 70 pixels high, and let's just click somewhere to the left of our canvas and maybe type in something like Fireworks Fun on 2 different lines. Maybe highlight it so it will be centered, and maybe move it around a little bit so it's in the center of our canvas. Next, be sure your text box is selected, and let's click on the paint bucket color swatch, and we're going to choose the fill options, and let's change from a solid fill to a pattern, and let's pick a nice pattern, maybe a blue wave pattern, and hit enter. And you can now see we have a nice pattern within our text. We can also apply a texture to our fill. Let's click on the paint bucket swatch again, choose the fill options again, and then click on the texture option, and I'm going to choose small dots for this particular option. But you can play around with that and see what kind of different effects you can get with different textures. We can also adjust the scale of the texture by clicking on the percentage option next to the actual name of the texture to adjust how the texture size fills the font. One final thing we could do to enhance this is apply a stroke to our text. I'm going to click on the swatch next to the stroke option, and we'll choose a color, and right away you can see how that affects how the text looks. But also we could change the stroke options to choose a different type of stroke. Right now it's set for pencil. We could do a basic one if we want, and we can adjust the width of the stroke in the stroke option dialog box also at this time. And you can play around with that to see how changing the width changes the effect of the stroke on the text.